So for years down in the shop, I've always just attached my clamps up to the joists. I just stick them up there and clamp them on, and wherever they fit is wherever they go. I decided to actually build an actual clamp rack. Now, lots of times people build these and they're so complicated. People build them where they have a block at the top and the block at the bottom and they clamp on there. I don't know why they can't help themselves. They have to make some overly complicated thing. All it has to be is a board, and you can clamp right to it. The only thing I'm doing differently is to try to save some space. I'm going to have two tiers or two levels. The first one will be a short board. The next one will be slightly longer so I can overlap and hopefully get twice the amount of clamps in half the amount of space. Again, this is just scraps of wood I have lying around. This is OSB I'm going to use for the sides, pine and plywood for the top. Well, I just finished the clamp rack. It only took about an hour, and I like it. It works great. I wish I made it a little bit bigger. I guess as long as I don't buy any more clamps, I'm all set. But it filled up pretty quickly. I guess I could fit a few more in here. But one thing I would say is I'm glad I made it 8" and 3 because that 5" overhang is just enough here. For these handles to stick out, 5 inches, if it would have been any less, I would have been hitting these handles. So the 8 and 3, the 5" overlap, was the right amount, the minimum amount. But it's great. I fit all my clamps right here, right where I can get to them real quickly. And it's a lot better than keeping them up on the rafters. I wish I would have made it a little bit bigger. Or maybe had 3 tiers. I don't know, 3 tiers would have been sticking out to here. But no. For a 1-hour project, I should have done that a long time ago.
Well, I hope you liked the video you just watched. If you did, feel free to subscribe by clicking the button on this side. You can also check out all the videos I've done, the playlist from things I've built, things I've fixed, home repair, 3D printing, and on this side you can check out a recommended video similar to the one you just watched, and as always down in the description I'll put a link to my blog which has more pictures and more information about the video you just watched. Thanks.